What's going on, crypto geniuses? Hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a quick Bitcoin update, and then I'm also going to be giving you guys a little jump start on a coin that I found that I think is going to be really amazing this year in 2018. And I also think it could be one of my biggest profits this whole year. That's how big this coin is, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. So first and foremost, let's get into the Bitcoin update. And if you guys could like and subscribe to this channel if you're on YouTube, and if you're on Facebook, if you could like this, that would be amazing because that helps us get the activity going. And also at 1,000 subscribers, we will be giving away free Bitcoin, and we're also going to be giving away a nano ledger sometime down the line, which is about 250 bucks by itself. So like, subscribe, and we'll be giving you guys some free stuff, and we'll also keep this content rolling for you guys, hopefully make you guys some money. All right, so let's get into it. The Bitcoin update. All right, so if you guys watched my last video, you'll know that I talked about the falling wedge that we're having here, and also how we are looking for a certain price breakout. So we kind of had a little breakout here, but it was kind of moving sideways, so you're kind of going to move this like this. So you got your falling wedge here, and what you're looking for in a falling wedge is you're looking for a breakout up, and that will be your confirmation. So as I mentioned in the last video, we're going to be looking for about $12,100 is going to be our confirmation that we've had a good breakout. And I believe we'll be seeing that very, very shortly, probably within 24 hours or so, if it keeps moving the way it's moving. So we're going to throw the MACD on this thing, and I'm going to show you guys something very positive for Bitcoin. So as you can see on this, how the blue line and the red lines are crossing, well, you can see this nice big cross up that we're having right at the bottom here. It just crossed up after a long time, and now you can see the last time we had one of those cross ups was right here. All right, so it was not till November 15th we had one of those cross ups. And when the MACD is down here, it's very, very oversold. So it's the sellers are working their way out, and that's what's happening right now. And as you can see, I drew this green line slanting up right here, and that just shows you that slowly the sellers are weeding themselves out. So like all the new people in the crypto space that kind of panic sold, they've kind of already worked themselves out now. So basically there's no more sellers left in Bitcoin. So now the only thing that's left in Bitcoin are buyers. And now that you can see there's a red histogram, see that red histogram finally popped up? Well, now that it's popped up, that means that the buyers are starting to take over. So once the buyers start to take over, that means the price is going to go up because everyone's going to be buying, and no one's going to be selling because they know Bitcoin's on its way up again. They know it's not a bubble. They know the bubble hasn't burst and everything like that. So look out for Bitcoin. It's like I said, you want it to hit about 12,100 bucks for it to really be a confirmed breakout and that we're going to be moving up. But like I said, this is an all-time low on the MACD for Bitcoin. As you can see, we had a divergence is right here. So the divergence is right there. Sellers have weeded themselves out. The buyers are picking up again, and the MACD has crossed up. So nothing but bullish signs for Bitcoin. Like I said, watch out for the price. Your biggest indicators, no matter what in technical analysis, is going to be price, candlestick, and the volume. All right. So the candlesticks are nice. The price is working its way back up, and now we just need a little bit more volume down here for things to get rolling right along to the all new time highs. All right. So your resistance levels that you're going to be looking out for are these. So you guys can write these down if you want to. So right here, got about $12,955 is going to be your first resistance line. So you're looking for Bitcoin to break that line. And once it breaks it, it's now going to become a support line for it, all right? And then we also got this right here, 14,797. Then we got $17,116, and then you're in the last and final one, which will be the little high, maybe around 19,300 bucks. So you're looking for Bitcoin to break these. These are kind of like ceilings. Once Bitcoin breaks these, it's now a support line for it, and it'll probably bounce off of it before it breaks this next one. So slowly, these are your levels working up. And the big one will be this guy right here, $19,400. And once it breaks that, then we're going to be looking at all new time highs. And I'm thinking anywhere from 27,000 to 30,000 is going to be our next all new time high for Bitcoin. Now remember, trading is very psychological, so people like rounded numbers. So like Bitcoin on some exchanges hit 20,000, and in people's mind, they when it hit 20,000, they cashed out and started selling because in our minds like rounded numbers. They like those clean numbers. So that's why I'm thinking 30,000 is going to be a really nice number for Bitcoin's next all-time high before it starts to correct again, all right? So that's your Bitcoin update. The MACD's curling up. The divergence is happening. The buyers are coming back in. Now we're just looking for some volume and nice big green candlesticks, all right? So that's it for this. Let's get into what I really want to share with you guys. This is a really good coin, all right? This coin is called AI Gang or AIX, all right? So basically, if you want to check out the company's website and really read deep into it, it's aigang.network, and that will get you to their site. You can watch their video and kind of how they show you what it's going to be doing and everything like that. But basically what it is, it's a platform for new insurance products using IoT data and for insuring any device with software, and that it will pay you automatically. So what that means is it's based off something very, very new that most people haven't heard of, and it's called IoT data. And I actually didn't know what it was either, and I had to look it up. So what it is right off the Forbes website, this is called IoT data. It's connecting any device with a on and off switch to the internet. So let's say, for an example, you have a meeting in the morning, right? Well, your car is going to be connected to your phone and your calendar and your phone, and it knows you have a meeting. So what it's going to do is it's going to take you the quickest route to your meeting, and then let's say you hit traffic on the way to your meeting. Well, your phone's automatically going to text the people you have a meeting with, and it's going to tell them that you're running late because you're stuck in some traffic, and then it's going to tell them your estimated time arrival. So it's everything connected. It's really amazing, and it's really ahead of our time right now. So AI Gang is really on it, and they're really looking for the future. And they're in the insurance space. The insurance space is massive, as you guys know. Tons of money in it, and they are the first of its kind. And also, this is running really under the radar right now. Not too many people are familiar with it. It's only been listed on one exchange, or actually two exchanges, but really one kind of major exchange, which is called Qcoin. And you can go on there right now. I'll go over to it right now. So here you go. So if you want to buy this, you go on Qcoin, KUCOIN.com. All right. And then what you do is you go to markets, and you'll type in AIX because that's the kind of like the stock abbreviation for it. You go ahead and click it, and then you can go ahead and buy it right off the bat, all right? So the really important thing with this is that really drove me to it is, one, it's very ahead of its time. It's using IoT data, which is amazing, and also, it's in the insurance space, which is massive by itself. And the big thing with this is the amount of coins that AIX has available. There's not that much circulating supply of tokens for AIX, which really drove me to this coin. So right now they have 17.8 million coins circulating that you can buy and sell right now. And there's a lot of coins that have trillions of coins, and the reason why you want a low circulating supply of coins is because supply and demand. There's 15 million people that are invested in Bitcoin, and if 15 million people want to buy this AIX gang, they're not going to buy one coin. They're going to buy thousands. Like, I'll tell you right now, I have 4,100 coins of AIX. So if each person's buying 44 or 5,000 tokens of AIX, those coins are going to go very, very rapidly. And what's going to happen is, now that everyone's buying in at this price, at that price, it's going to run out. So now the price is going to get up, and it's going to go very, very quickly. So let me give you some examples of some coins that have very close to the same amount of circulating supply, and you can look at their price and what they've done. So I found a few here. So the first one I found it's called a Monero coin, and that has 16 million coins circulating. So very close to the same as AIX. And that coin, one coin of that is $330. So you can imagine how cheap this is. So AIX is trading at $1.35 right now. If you invested in this at $1.35 and this went up to $300, that is a massive amount of money you just made. But also, you got Bitcoin Gold, which is 16.7 million. That's at $190. You got a coin called, I believe you would pronounce it Aguar, and that's 11 million, and that's at $84. And then you have Gas, which has 10 million, and that's trading at $51. So you can imagine, all these coins that are in the very similar range of circulating token supply as A Gang is they're all very close to $100. So if this thing goes to $2.60, you just doubled your money. Imagine if it went up to $100, you're gonna make a lot of money off this. So this is why I really like this coin. It's only been out for 2 weeks, so the ICO just ended. It's only been on this kind of major exchange. Not very many people use this, as you would think. So not many people know about this right now. But when this coin gets listed on Binance and Bittrex, there's going to be a lot more volume going into this coin, which is going to drive this price very, very high. So it just had a deep correction. I'll show you a slight technical analysis on this. There's not much on here. So when it first came out, here's the ICO. It dropped all the way down here. It had looked like an ABC correction basically, and now it's starting its way back up again. So it went all the way down as low as 8,000 satoshis, and it went as high up as 13,700 satoshis. So right now it's at 11,000 satoshis, which is $1.31 in USD form. So this coin is very, 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 very cheap. I'm telling you, this coin is gonna go. There's not that many coins going around, and this is the only coin like it in its space. So it's gonna get a lot of people's attention because they've never heard or seen another coin like this. When you see a coin that's done the same thing as 4 other coins, you don't get that excited about it, and people don't really buy into it because they've already seen this. What do you need a coin that does the same thing as 4 other coins? This coin is going to have a very high demand for it when it hits other exchanges and when people find out about it. I stumbled across this coin and I looked into it, and I think it has a great team. They have a great project moving forward. And another big thing with this, before you invest in something that's so early, you want to make sure they have a physical product. These people, if you go on their website, they'll show you a demo of what they're looking to do, and they already have the business on an app. You can download the Android and the iOS app. So there's a physical product right there, and they're actually going to have a physical insurance product the end of Q1. So within the next couple months, they're going to have a physical product, which is great, which means they're working towards actually building something, and it's not just all speculation. All right. So you guys got your Bitcoin update. You got this really, really good coin. I think you guys should do your own research on. And little disclaimer: everything you invest into based off this information is all at your own risk. This is just my opinion. This is not financial advice. So having that said, I hope you guys have an amazing Sunday. Follow us on Instagram at Thought Crypto. Follow us on Facebook at Thought Crypto. And please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. We would really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, guys.